Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I would like to show you how to make your Facebook post shareable. So let's begin our video. So at first you need to open your Facebook application and then you need to tap on the hot on your mind. Just need to tap here for create a post. So at first you need to change the privacy icon. On the top you can see there is showing friend. So you just need to tap here and you need to change it public. If you press public, then it's showing you cannot post to public when your profile is locked. That means your profile is locked now. You need to unlock your profile. So for that you just need to press unlock option, then see your profile or press unlock option. Unlock your profile. So that's it. Now go on here. Now press friend and then you can select public. Then done it. Now you can post. Type something. Hi. How are you everyone? Then post it. Now you can see this is your post, and now there have a option you can see share. So now everyone can see your Facebook post and everyone can share your Facebook post very easily. So in this way you can make a post shareable on Facebook. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.